Let's see one more problem on rate law. For the reaction 2A plus B gives A to B, the rate equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B to the power 2 with K equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 6 mole to the power minus 2 into L square per second. Calculate the initial rate of the reaction when concentration of A is 0.1 mole per liter and concentration of B is 0.2 mole per liter, and also calculate the rate of the reaction after A is reduced to 0.06 mole per liter. This has to become is what he given this reaction 2A plus B gives A to B. He given rate law for that reaction and rate constant for that reaction, and he also given initial concentration of A and initial concentration of B, and asked to find out initial rate of the reaction, and he also asked to find out rate of the reaction when concentration of A is reduced to 0.06 mole per liter. Let's see solution. He given this rate law, that is rate equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B to the power 2. Now we have to find initial rate. So he given K, that is 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 6. Substitute K, and he given initial concentration of A, that is 0.1, and that of B as 0.2. Substitute in this equation 0.1 into 0.2 to the power 2. Now keep this as it is into 0.1 into 0.2 to the power 2 equal to 0.04. So keep it as it is. Now 0.1 into 0.04 is 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now 2 into 4 is 8. So 8 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 is 10 to the power minus 9, because minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. So initial rate of the reaction is 8 into 10 to the power minus 9 mole per liter per second. See, I have written wrong here. This has to become mole per liter per second, because you know that unit of rate of the reaction is mole per liter per second. Let's see how to find rate of the reaction after concentration of A is reduced to 0.06 mole per liter. See, he clearly given this rate law. Write down that rate law and substitute the value of K and concentration of A, that he given 0.06, but you don't know the concentration of B. This is initial concentration, but when the concentration of A is reduced to 0.06 mole per liter, you don't know how much is the concentration of B. If you know concentration of B, then you can calculate rate. So let's try to find out this concentration of B. Consider that reaction 2A plus B gives A to B. See what happening in this reaction. Understand, 2 moles of A and 1 mole of B is reacting to give 1 mole of A to B as product. So he given initially, that is at time t equal to 0, there was concentration of A was 0.1 mole per liter and that of B was 0.2 mole per liter. And at that time product A to B will be 0, because at the beginning of the reaction, at the start of the reaction, there will be no product, only reactants will be there. As time goes, as reaction goes, A and B will react to give product A to B. So after some time, at time t equal to t, say x constant x mole per liter of A to B is formed. Let's suppose take x mole per liter of A to B is formed after some time, that is t equal to t. How this x mole per liter of A to B is formed? By using x mole per liter of B and 2x mole per liter of A. By C, to form 1 mole of A to B, reaction is using 2 moles of A and 1 mole of B. So in order to form x mole per liter of A to B, reaction will use 2x mole per liter of A and x mole per liter of B. So what happened now? Reaction is used x mole per liter of B and 2x mole per liter of A to form x mole per liter of A to B. See how much is remained. So B is used x mole per liter out of 0.2. So remaining is 0.2 minus x. A is used 2x mole per liter out of 0.1. So how much is remained? 0.1 minus 2x. This indicates at time t, 0.1 minus 2x mole per liter A is remained and 0.2 minus x mole per liter B is remained and x mole per liter of A to B is formed. He given clearly concentration of A as 0.06. So that is 0.1 minus 2x. Equate those two. 0.1 minus 2x equal to 0.06. Let's try to find out x from this equation. Take this 0.06 this side and 2x this side. Now 0.1 minus 0.06 equal to 0.04, that equal to 2x, and x equal to 0.04 by 2, that equal to 0.02. Now you come to know value of x, then you can find concentration of B remained, that is 0.2 minus x. Concentration of B equal to 0.2 minus x, that equal to 0.2. Fill this x value 0.02, that equal to 0.18. Now fill this 0.18 here. Now you calculated this 0.18. Now simplify this equation. See, initially only I was written this one. Actually it is not given. All this procedure was carried out to find out this concentration of B, that is 0.18. Now simplify this one. 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. If you multiply 0.06 into 0.18 to the power 2, you will get 0.001944. Then when you try to simplify 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, I will write this in terms of power of 10. That is 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 3. When you simplify this, you will get 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 9 mole per liter per second. So rate of the reaction after concentration of A is reduced to 0.06 mole per liter, 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 9 mole per liter per second. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video and spread worldwide to help others.